Welcome to C++ Coding Ninja. Hello everyone. Today's tutorial is going to be about math in C++, basic math, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's jump into the lesson. So math is really simple. Like for example, if I want to write 2 plus 2, all I have to type is just 2 plus 2. There we go. Build and run. 4, 2, and now we can write more. We can write 2 plus 2 plus 7, which will be 11. There you go. We can also do subtraction. For example, minus 9, 2. We can also do division. 21 divided by 7. 21 divided by 7. 25 divided by 2. 12. Yeah, if you want to do the decimal dividing, you need to make your division, the bottom number, a decimal. So hopefully it should work now. There you go. 12.5. And you can also do multiplication, like 3 times 5, which should be 15, as good. Yep, there we go, 15. We can also include parentheses in longer operations, like if you have 21 divided by 7, you can add plus 3, just here, and add parentheses here, so it should be 7.0, 3.0. Okay, it should be 2.1. There we go, 2.1. And also, let's just delete these parentheses. Also, we can put the parentheses on this division problem and add 3 later. That also works, which is 6. So that is basically math. And now I'm thinking that maybe we can make some calculator which will calculate the birth year by telling your age. So this couldn't be simple, and also we're also going to be needing math. So what you're going to want to do is you want to say, how old are you? And no endo. There you go. We define a variable, say it's called age, cin age. Okay, and now you ask the user what year is it. Okay, int year cin year. And now the last thing you're gonna want to do is just subtract the age from year. So you just say cout year minus age. So I mean the reason why I included years because obviously it's not always 2020. It can be 2030 or something. So let's just run this program. Oh. Now let's hope it works. There you go. How old are you? Say 19. What year is it? 2050. Okay, not 2050. Yeah, 2050. That means you must have been born in 2031. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. So this is math. You can also do other stuff and yeah, everything else. But I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.